Okay, in this lab session we will see the third experiment, that is the comparison of two numbers. Okay, so write an assembly language program for finding larger and smaller smaller one among two 8-bit numbers. Okay, so this is our aim. Now same procedure that we have adopted from the first practical, that is the addition of two numbers, then subtraction of two numbers. Now we are performing our third practical, that is the same process we are adopting. Okay, so basically in this practical we will see that this checking of that comparison is done by using the CMP instruction. This instruction is very similar to the sub instruction. The only difference is that it does not update the value of the accumulator after executing. So after the comparing, if the carry flag is set, it means that the first number is smaller and the second one is larger. So it is just like a subtraction, but it does not update the value of accumulator. So it will not change the content of the accumulator, but what change it takes, it will change the carry flag, status of the carry flag. Let us say if the first number is greater than the second number, then the carry flag is set, otherwise it will not set. So this condition we have to use while writing the assembly language program, that we will use the compare instruction. So what are the steps? First we require the two numbers. One number should be in the accumulator, then we will execute the compare command, and after executing the compare command we will store the result at some specific location, but we have to check the status of the carry flag. So we will use the command jnc. Okay, so jnc command we will use and we will complete this practical. Okay, so here I have written the program, that is the org100 is the what starting point of the assembly language program. So from this point we will start our instruction. So first number is stored at C001H and the next number will be at the C002H. So first command I will use lxih C001H, then the content of memory is copied to B register. Then I have to take the second number. So second number is at the second memory location, so INXH move a comma m. So now I will execute the instruction compare B. Now I will check for the carry. So if the carry is generated, then it means that the first number is smaller than the next number. So therefore it will jump to directly this. So it will store the content of the accumulator, that is the larger number. So if you write here JC, then it will store the smaller number. Okay. So stop here. So I will execute this code. So I will assemble this. You can see here. So now I will run. See here, the first number is 10, second number is 20. So the larger number is 20. Okay. It is stored at the 700H. So we can make changes. Now I will, in place of 10, I will write here, let us say 30. See here one thing again, that you don't have to write H everywhere, because it by default it is taking, it is a hexadecimal number system. So I will run it. See here, now again it is storing the small number, so I have to change the code. So here the first number is 30, the next number is 20. So I will assemble this, I will run. Still it is showing the 20. So I will change this. Okay, I will change this address, I will change it as C001, and then I will assemble. Now it is not showing anything. Okay. Assemble this. I will run this. Yes, you can see here, larger number is 30 now. So by trying this, by practice, you will get this concept that why I have written here C001H, because my first database is at C001H. So if I write C00, then I have to change here also C00. Okay, again I will assemble and I will run. Again you can see here, okay, larger number is 10. And suppose if I write here JC, let us say we will try. Now it will store the smaller number. I will run again. See here, smaller number is stored. So just by change of one instruction, the overall aim of the code is changed. Firstly, we were storing the larger number, but as we have changed the command from JNC to JC, that is, if the carry flag is set, then it will store the smaller number. And if you write here JNC, now it will store the larger number. Okay. See here, larger number is 30. Okay. So that completes our practical number 3. Okay.